The goal of a craps game is to place and win bets on specific numbers. The game is played clockwise at a table featuring a special layout with a pair of dice. The main components of a craps game are the table with an on-off puck, which by default sits on the off position at the top of the table. After that, you have the chips that you use to make bets, and of course, a pair of dice. Besides you as a player, there are other people involved in a game of craps, like the box man, the stick man, and two dealers, who ensure that the game goes smoothly and help you with different things like placing bets, rolling the dice, or exchanging money for chips. Each section on the table represents a different bet, with each of them having different rules, house edges, and payouts. As the game is played clockwise, each player has the opportunity to be the shooter, rolling the dice for a round. In order to do that, that player must have at least a pass line or don't pass bet in play. A player can roll the dice multiple times in a single round until a 7 is rolled and ends the round. After that, the shooter passes the dice to the next player in line, and the whole bet placing procedure begins again. Learning about all the bets and practicing is the best way to familiarize with the game of craps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget that you can watch our videos about the many popular craps bets or read our experts' opinion on the matter on chippy.com.